I'm willing to bet you have been told your whole life, work hard and you will be successful. And sure, working hard matters. But what if I told you that you've been given the wrong playbook? Because here is the truth. The wealthiest people aren't the ones working long hours. They are not the ones glued to their desks until midnight. They are the ones working smart. The ones being strategic with their time and their money so they can get more of their time back. And the best part of this, you don't have to be born rich to do this. You just have to start thinking differently. So today, I'll be breaking down 5 mindset shifts that the wealthiest people live by and how you can start applying that right now. Hi, money friends. Welcome back to my channel where we build wealth on our own terms and live a very good life. My name is Sefao and I'm an investment coach. I plan to retire in my 40s and I share all my tips on how I plan to retire, getting financial freedom without giving up luxury. If that sounds like your kind of plan, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now so you don't have to miss any money move we share on this channel. Let's dive into the mindset. Mindset shift number 1. Focus on net worth, not salary. Everybody loves bragging about their salary. It used to be you hit 6 figures, you are in the success club. But now, with inflation, people have moved the number close to $200,000. But here's the problem. Your salary only matters as long as you're working. It's like a tap that only turns when you're standing there. It turns on. The moment you stop, it stops. What actually matters is your net worth. The value of everything you own minus everything you owe. That's your scoreboard for financial freedom. That's the number that tells how close you are to being able to choose how you spend your time. Let's take, for example, if you earn $150,000 a year, but spend $140,000 and owe $50,000 on credit card, your net worth isn't impressive. You're basically running on an hammer's wheel. On the other hand, if you make $70,000 annually, but invest $20,000 a year, you have no debt, your net worth will grow faster. Now, what actions can you take? Write down everything you own, savings accounts, investment properties, even the value of your car. On the second sheet, write down everything you owe, your mortgage, your loan, your credit card. Subtract second number from the first. That means the owing from the own. That's your net worth. And you can start tracking this every 3 months. If you're with me so far, can you drop net worth in the comments? So I know you're serious about tracking your money. Mindset shift number 2. Make your money work for you. The wealthy don't just work for money. They make their money work for them. A study shows that about 88% of millionaires got there through consistent investing, not savings. If your money is just sitting in the bank, it's losing value every single day because of inflation. Think about it. If inflation is 3% and your savings account is paying you 1%, you're not making money. You're losing 2% of your purchasing power every year. Let's take, for example, you have $10,000 in your account, in your savings account, just sitting there for over 10 years without investing it. Inflation alone will cut its value down to $7,000 worth of buying power. Now compare investing that same $10,000 a year and earning 8% averagely on a yearly basis. At year 10, your $10,000 will become about $21,500. Now, what steps can you take to achieve this? Open an investment account, a brokerage account if you don't have one. I already made a video on how you can open an investment account if you're in Canada. Start with small consistent amounts. Even if it's $5 a day, it adds up over time. If you don't want to buy individual stock, you can go ahead and buy ETF funds like S&P 500. I already made a video on how you can open your first investment account and how you can start investing. Mindset shift number 3. Build a powerful circle. There's a saying that goes, your network is your net worth, and it is true. The people around you can easily push you forward or quietly hold you back. Wealthy people intentionally surround themselves with others who are on the same path or further ahead. They talk about investment, they talk about opportunities and new ways to grow, not just gossip and look for the latest sale in the mall. So let's take an example. If you're hanging out around people who roll their eyes when they talk about savings or investing, guess what? You will start downplaying your goals too. But if your friends get excited about hitting their first $10,000 in investment, you will want to keep up to that momentum. What action can you take today? Audit your circle. Who challenges you? Who inspires you? And who drains you? Find communities online, offline, where money talk is normal and growth is encouraged. Mindset shift number 4. Balance today's joy with tomorrow's freedom. I'm all for enjoying your life, but here's the thing. Every 1,000 you spend today could be $10,000 you don't have in retirement because of compound growth. For example, that $5,000 luxury bag you bought today, it's beautiful, I can see. But over 30 years, if you invested that amount, it could have grown to about $50,000. That's the price tag you're really paying. I'm not saying never buy nice things. I'm saying buy them when you can afford them and still invest enough to secure for your future. So, what step can you take today? Before any big purchase, ask yourself, if I invest instead, what will it be? What in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years, or in the next 30 years? Decide if it's worth trading that future growth for the thing you want right now. And mindset shift number 5, reassess and adapt. The wealthy don't just set a plan once and forget about it. They check in, adjust it, and keep moving it forward. Life changes. So it goes. So should your money strategy as well. If you set a savings goal before you add kids, the number might not be enough now. If you got a raise, maybe you can move more into your investment account. And what action can you take today? Schedule a money date once a month, once a quarter, even if it's just you. Review your spending, review your investment, and the progress towards your goals in life. Make adjustments before small problems turns into big ones. Make adjustments every now and then. So here is the question. Which of those 5 mindset shifts do you need to start with today? Drop it in the comments so we can keep each other accountable. Remember, the goal is freedom, not just work more, not just working hard. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel to grow. Share it with your family and friend who needs a financial wake-up call so they can be your accountability partner as well. Because the sooner you make this shift, the sooner you can live life on your own terms. Till I come your way next time, make sure you are intentional about investing, about hitting that investment goal. God bless you.